Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use long-lasting natural hair shampoo. First, it's essential to understand your hair type, whether it's oily, dry, or normal, to select the most effective natural shampoo. Before applying, make sure your hair is completely wet with lukewarm water. Then, dispense just a small, dime-sized amount of shampoo into your hand. This ensures you use enough without wasting product. Once you have the shampoo, gently massage it into your scalp using your fingertips for about 2 minutes. Focus on creating a light lather at the roots, as this is where most oil and buildup accumulate. Avoid scrubbing too harshly. After a good massage, rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water until you see no more suds and your hair feels clean. After shampooing, apply a natural conditioner, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends of your hair, avoiding the scalp. Let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes to allow the nutrients to penetrate deeply. This step is crucial for maintaining moisture and shine. Finally, rinse your hair with cool water. This helps to close the hair cuticles, locking in moisture and enhancing shine for a lasting effect. To finish, gently blot your hair with a soft towel instead of rubbing vigorously, which can cause frizz and damage. Ideally, allow your hair to air dry, or if you must use a blow dryer, opt for a low heat setting to protect your strands. For lasting results, try to wash your hair less frequently, perhaps every 2 or 3 days. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.